So today I'm going to be talking about Riemann sum. So the Riemann sum is used to evaluate integrals. So I'm going to be starting off with this example, which is x on the interval of 0 to 2. So we're going to start off with step number 1, which is finding delta x, which delta x is found by doing b minus a all over n, which the b in this equation is 2 and a is 0 all over n, which gets us delta x is equal to 2 over n. So, what is happening now is step number 2, which is x of I, which is a plus x times delta x. So a is 0 plus I times 2n. So that is our x of I. So step number 3 is f of x of I, which is plugging the second step number 2 back into the original equation. Since that is just x, it is just going to be I times 2 over n. Okay, so now we're going to basically begin solving. So limit as n is approaching infinity, f of x of I times delta x. So we're just going to basically plug everything in right now, making sure to bring the limit down, this first half of it every time. So that is 2 pi times I and then 2n is equal to the limit as n is approaching infinity. So what we're going to do now is we're going to multiply the 2 in I times 2n. So what we can see right now is we do 4 times n squared, we can pull that out. So I'm going to do that, so 4 times n squared. And then what we are left with is just the I. So we are basically isolating the I to its own little part so we can use the sum, sum equation, sum things that we're supposed to know. Basically, it is just a given. We're supposed to know that I is equal. What am I doing? That I is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2. So after we have this, we can simplify to finally complete this equation. So 2 and 4, 2 cancels out to 1, 4 cancels to 2, so we are left with 2n times n plus 1 all over n squared. So what we can do is continue to simplify that, and that would give us 2n squared times 2n all over n squared. So with this, you can easily tell that since the highest power in the numerator and the denominator are both the same, which is squared, we know that this is just equal to 2. So that is our answer, and this is an example of a Riemann sum. So you have to go through these 3 equations, these 3 steps to find delta x, x of I, and f of x of I, and then we continue on this step, and then we end up with the answer at the end. So that is it. Thank you.